Source, public.
Hi, this is Goggett,
Dangerous,
and we got some bad weather
Locations
moving into
impacted
Tornado
include
Alley.
Lubbock, Level
I'm
Land,
out here
Slayton, Coast, Tahoka,
going to catch
Lake
some.
Allen Henry, White River Lake, Wolford, Ransom Canyon, O'Donnell, Calgary.
This is what we got going on right now.
Jaspersburg, Slide, Woodrow, Caprock, and Zero Southland. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.
As you can see, the clouds are really heavy out here.
In Texas,
We're getting some lightning,
and Terry.
and there's a lot of wind in these clouds.
The leading wall of blowing dust is moving through the south-central South Plains. Behind this little wall of dust, strong winds and thick blowing dust will continue across the southwest South Plains. Hazard, less than 1/4 mile visibility with damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, public. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Level Land, Brownfield, Denver City, Plains, Sundown, Lockettville, Bronco, Tokyo, Meadow, and Wilmot. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, then pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. The current time is 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-79, the voice of the National Weather Service in Lubbock. This broadcast serves the central South Plains of West Texas. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A red flag warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Cochran, Honkley, and Terry. High wind warning has been extended until 7 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Texas: Crosby, Garza, Lubbock, and Lynn. A high wind warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Cochran, Honkley, and Terry. A dust storm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Crosby, Garza, Honkley, Lubbock, Lynn, and Terry. A dust storm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Cochran, Honkley, and Terry. Wind advisory has been extended until 10 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Texas: Crosby, Garza, Lubbock, and Lynn. A wind advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Cochran, Honkley, and Terry. The 5 p.m. observations for Monday, March 22nd. At Lubbock Preston Smith International, a partly sunny sky. The temperature was 61 degrees, dew point 44 degrees, and the relative humidity 53%. The wind was north at 7 miles an hour, and the pressure 9.54 inches and falling. Other area observations.
This is Goggett. I'm going to see if I can move to another location, and the wind is really picking up here. So I'm going to see if I can move to another location. See if I can have enough time left on this to make another video. As my battery, it runs down real quick, and I'm thinking I'm just about to the limit of it. This is Goggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.